Hey F.U.N.N.E.R.S, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to do test 2B from the primary 5 test book. And Joseph's gonna do it. Okay.
Hey,
Come on, Jojo. I'm waiting. Someone off the mic. Someone going off the mic. Boo. Okay, anyway. What's the first question?
book times 20 equals 500. What is the value of book?
And how do you solve the question?
You can bring the multiply by 20 on to the right side of the equal sign, and that will become divide.
Bring the right side of the equal sign. Bring the what?
The multiplied by 20, you can bring it over to the other side.
What does bring it over to the other side mean?
Bring it to the right side of the equal sign.
IDK, what that means.
How will you?
It's right on the screen.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now what's the question 2? What's question 2?
How many hundreds are there in 1 million?
And how do we do the question?
I don't know. Why don't you teach us today?
You're the one talking. And I'm writing. Jojo. Jojo!
1 million divided by 100.
And is there a fast way to do this?
There are a lot of zeros.
Okay. That's number 3. What's the next question, Jojo? Is your reading?
6 times 9 minus 6 times 3 equals something times 8 plus 4. What is the missing number in the box?
Then how do you do this question, Jojo? Jojo.
I guess we can evaluate the left side first. So 6 times 9 is, and 6 times 3 is, and what would that be equals to?
What is 54 minus 18, Jojo?
36.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Go and check using your mental calculation. You know what that means, Jojo? Okay, fine. So that's 36 equals to blank times 8 plus 4. So can we minus 4 from both sides?
Yes.
So what's 36 minus 4?
32.
Now remove the times 8. What is it now?
4.
So the answer is 4.
Yay.
Okay, next question. Dot dot dot.
Okay, start with it. There are 41 bicycles and tricycles all together in Uncle Fong's shop. Wendy counts a total of 100 wheels. How many tricycles are there in Uncle Fong's shop?
Okay, so how do we do the question?
We have to find out how many wheels does a bicycle and tricycle have.
You tell me.
A bicycle has 2 wheels. A tricycle has 3 wheels.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
We have to figure out how many tricycles are there in the shop.
Okay, and how do we do that? Okay, so we can use the assumption method for this. So let's assume all are. What should we assume? All are what? Bicycles? Jojo! I'm waiting for answer.
Um, Assume all bicycles. Okay.
Then, if all are bicycles, then how do we count how many wheels there would be?
Because there are 41 bicycles and tricycles, so if you assume all are bicycles, then there will be 82 wheels.
And how do you get 82?
41 times 2.
Okay, now how many wheels do we need more?
100 minus 82, which is 18.
Okay, then what's the next step?
Um, I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, so there are 18 tricycles. Oh,
Okay, next question. On the page. Read the question.
question 5. 925 times 80 equals box times 1000. What is the missing number in the box?
So how do we find the answer to this question?
We can evaluate the left side first.
Yes, and what equation are we gonna use?
I think we can drop the 0 first. So we just take 925 times 8 first.
Okay, then what's 1925 times 8?
Calculators are not allowed in this section, so we have to do it by either mental calculation or the multiplication method.
Okay. So Jojo, the master mental calculation, what's the answer?
Um, 7400.
So 74000 divided by 1000 equals 74. So the answer is 74. Because you add 10, you append the 0 from the A. Right, Jojo?
Mm-hmm. Okay, question 6. 65,000 divided by something equals 50. What is the missing number?
And how do we do this question?
Um, we we can swap the positions of the 50 and the something, right?
Okay, and what? And what's
So we can take 65,000 divided by 50.
which is
We can drop the zeros, so it'll be 6500 divided by 5, which is
which is
1300.
check with your mental calculation.
I think, yep, that's correct.
What's the answer again?
1300.
Okay. Then what's this? How do we?
Question 7. Find the value of bracket 28 plus 52 divided by bracket 9 times 3 minus 7.
And what's 28 plus 52?
So you have to do the, what's the order of, this is a question of order of operation, right? Order of operations.
We learned that in our previous video. If you didn't catch it, you have to go watch it now.
Okay. So 20.
We're not repeating.
Okay, 28 plus 52 is 80, right?
I'm only writing what you're saying.
Plus a divide by, okay, so we have to do multiplication first. So that's 27 minus 7. Then you bring it to the next line. And then the next line would be 4. And that's the answer for question 7. Okay, next question. Question 8. Mrs. Low has 12 packets of sweets. Each packet contains 25 sweets. She shares 300.
Equals your answer. Because it just goes boom. Boom.
Okay, so the answer is 10 for question 8.
Boom. What?
Okay, next section C. We're at section C. Okay, question 9. Kamal bought a van for 104,800. He first made a payment of 36,700 and paid the remaining amount in equal monthly payments over 5 years. How much was the monthly payment?
How do we do this question, Jojo?
Um okay, so the total price of the van is 104,800. And then we can subtract what he first paid. So you take 104. We can take 104,800 minus what he paid, 36,700. And then because it's section C, we can use a calculator. So we can type it in the calculator. So it's 104,800 minus 36700. So the answer is 68100. So that's the remaining payment he made over 5 years.
Now what do we do?
And we have to figure out how many monthly payments are there in 5 years. So 1 year has, how many months?
That's yours, the answer.
1 year has 12 months. 5 years has
5 years is 5 years of torture.
so 5 years has 60 months.
How do you get 60?
12 times 5. So he paid 68,100 in equal monthly payments. So you can divide 68,100 by 60. Which is, we can use our calculator.
Okay, so it's the calculator.
68100 divide by 60. And that will give us 1135.
Is that an answer, or do we need to have a longer,
Do we need to write the word statement.
That's the correct answer. 135.
1135.
Okay. Word statement. What, Jojo?
Waiting for you to write finish. Okay, next question. Question number 10. Janice pays a total of 227 for 7 t-shirts and 5 skirts. A t-shirt costs $7 less than a skirt. Find the cost of a t-shirt. So how will we do this?
Okay. So, hey. Da, da, da. The first we'll find the total number of less. Why don't you take a shot at explaining, Jojo?
You did 7 times 5. So that is the difference between a t-shirt and a shirt. And then you took 227 minus 35 equals 192.
Chicka chicka boom boom.
Okay, what's the explanation for this working? I think you're doing it in like sets, right?
Yep, yep. Yep.
So 227 minus 35. Okay, so 7 times 5 equals 35. So I think that's the difference. Then you take 227 minus 35, 192. I don't know.
So the 35 is the total difference. Then since the t-shirt is less expensive and you're trying to find the t-shirt, then you subtract the difference so that it's, how do you say it? So that it's all the cost of a t-shirt. Then, since there are 7 t-shirts and 5 skirts, and now they're all the same cost as a t-shirt, you can add them together, which is 12. And then you divide it by 12. And then that's the cost of one t-shirt. Did it reach red? Then can't you just make it softer during editing?
Okay, so for question 10, we take 7 times 5 because t-shirt costs $7 less than a skirt. So if we subtract 35 from what she paid of 227, then 192 would be the cost of 12 shirts, 7 plus 5. Then we take 192 divided by 7 plus 5. So what we end up with is $16, which is the cost of one t-shirt. Then we write our word statement and then we fill in the ANS at the bottom of the page. Okay, next question. Question 11. The total mass of parcels A, B, and C is 2,131 grams. Parcel A is 360 grams heavier than parcel B. The mass of parcel B is 3 times the mass of parcel C. Find the difference in the mass of the heaviest parcel and the lightest parcel.
Yes, and now try to explain the reason of you know.
So you're taking 2,131 minus 360. So you're subtracting away the how much heavier parcel A is compared to B. So 1771 would be the weight of 2 parcel Bs and 1 parcel C. And the next statement is the mass of parcel B is 3 times the mass of parcel C. So since 1771 is 2 parcel Bs and 1 parcel C, we want to convert all the parcel Bs into parcel Cs. So that's why we have 7 here. So 2 parcel Bs, so 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we add 1 for the parcel C, which is why we get 7. And we divide by 7 here. So 253 is the weight of parcel C. Then next, we want to find out what's the weight of parcel A. So we take the weight of parcel C, 253, multiplied by 2. That multiplied by 2.
If you draw a model, it's 1 unit, and then the heaviest is 3 units plus 360. So the difference would be 2 units plus 360.
Oh, the difference. Okay, so this is direct. This working is for the difference already. Ah, okay. Next question. Question. Whoops. Okay, question 12. A grocer packs 270. Okay, question 12. A grocer packs 273 kg of apples into 5 kg bags and 2 kg bags. If the grocer has 4 more 5 kg bags than 2 kg bags of apples, how many bags of apples does he have altogether?
Wait, based on my working.
Okay, so the working is 5 times 5 equals 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 plus 25 plus 2 is 27. Okay, why is the working like that? Because if the grocer has 4 more 5 kg bags than 2 kg bags, so what we're trying to find is um mm, I think it's is it a sets method again?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, can you explain to us about the sets method?
Okay, no one. Wrong. Let's try it. Okay. So da 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 da. Okay. So the total mass of one 5 kg and one 2 kg bag is 5 plus 2, which is 7 kg, right? So the number of 2 kg bag is 272 minus 4 times 5 divided by 7. So, okay. So then the number of 5 kg bags is 36 plus 4 because there are 4 more 5 kg bags. So that's 40. Now the total number of bags is 40 plus 36, which equals to 76. So he has 76 bags of apples altogether. Okay, marking time.
Hey, bring out the red pen.
Yay, we got 25. Time to file it in our math file. Jojo, where is our math file? Oh yeah, Jojo, does the challenging problems go in the test book section or go in a separate section?
I guess we can follow it in the test section. So then we can it follows the content page.
Hmm?
It follows the sequence in the content page.
Okay. And it's the end of today's video. See you guys next time. Bye.